Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, I am here with the final analysis of 4th of June 2020. Okay guys, first of all, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it so that you can keep on getting the forex trading updates from my side. Okay guys, this is the signals report that I have sent to the subscribers early in the morning. These are the pending orders that I sent to the subscribers in the morning, and today 4 signals have triggered and I'm going to talk about these 4 signals. So first of all, starting with Euro USD, with a bullish trend from 112244 and 113145 was the target price. And guys, you can see a very clear upward trend on Euro USD today, and it has even went beyond the barrels of the target price. So I congratulate all my traders who have taken the buy positions today on this pair. They must have ended their day with a good profit. Okay, at next time I would like to talk about AUDUSD. A bullish trend was applied to the subscribers in the morning from 068296 and 070812 was the target price. However, the target price is not met, guys, and overall the price has went up, and right now it's back on the same thing, but overall the pattern has changed. So guys, if you have done scalping on AUDUSD, then it could be the profitable trade at your end. Okay guys, what next is Great Britain Pound USD. So let me take you towards the signal. So Great Britain Pound USD with a bullish signal from 125604 and 127529 was the target price, and guys, you can see a very good straight upward pattern on the chart, and Great Britain Pound USD has moved up as per the trading system. Also, you can see the market went into the lower red boundary, that was the oversold levels, and after that the market has moved up. So congratulations to all traders who have taken the buy positions on this pair. They must have ended the day with a good profit. At last, I would like to talk about USDCHF. So USDCHF with a bearish expectation from 096045 and 095759 was the target price, and guys, you can see we have received a big drop on USDCHF today, and it has even went beyond the barriers of the target price. So guys, if you have traded USDCHF in a bearish way, then you must have filled your MT4 terminal with profits. So guys, let me explain about the trading system. You can see there is a trading system attached on the chart. So how to use this one, that is very simple. Whenever you see that the market is into the lower red boundary and it's gaining the momentum like it happened today, then you can buy the pair. And whenever you see that the market is into the top red boundary and it's losing its momentum, then you can sell the pair. And guys, this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, if you look at here, the scalper has pointed you with a buy signal in the form of white arrow many hours ago, and after that the market has turned up. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you're looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to learn that how I come to know in the morning that your USDCHF is going to be bearish and Euro USD is going to be bullish, this is based on a very simple trick. And if you want to learn that trick, then I teach this trick for 3 days on Skype, and you will take the coaching from me. And if you are willing to book your appointment for the forex coaching for learning this trick, then you can contact me on info@200forexpips.com. So guys, if you have any kind of inquiries for all this, you need to contact me on this email that is called info@200forexpips.com. Please guys, like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.